How to update drivers in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can update your drivers in Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are many ways to update drivers in Windows 11. First way we can do is by simply opening up our settings and simply updating our Windows. So just go to the Windows update section here, click the check for updates option. Whenever you update your Windows, the drivers are also going to get automatically updated. This is the first way to do it. The second way you can do this is by simply clicking the search icon and then simply searching for device manager, and then just go to device manager from here. Once you go to device manager, this is a manual process. Select the type of driver you would like to update over here. So let's say I want to update audio input and output driver. Select that, right click, and then just click on properties, and then you can see the update button, or just right click and then you'll see scan for hardware changes, and then you should be able to select your driver that you like. Click on update driver, and then you can search automatically for drivers, and then it will update the specific driver for you. Last but not the least, the updating driver process depends also upon the brand of laptop you're using. In my case, I'm using an HP laptop, so the HP laptop actually provides HP Support Assistant. So you can download HP Support Assistant from their official website if you're using HP laptop. When you open the HP Support Assistant application, you can continue as a guest, and then you can simply automatically check for drivers. So basically you should be able to see all these sorts of details where you will be able to select this with warranty, storage, battery, and you'll also be able to see softwares and drivers. If there are any sort of updates available, it will automatically update the BIOS and the drivers for you. This way you'll be able to update drivers in Windows 11. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.